Welcome to Prime Slider. In this video, we'll explore the Motion Slider widget, a powerful widget for creating visually engaging, animated sliders in Elementor. With smooth transitions, modern motion effects, and flexible customization options, it's ideal for hero sections, image showcases, and promotional banners. Motion Slider helps you capture attention, highlight key content, and elevate your website's visual experience. Ready to explore? Let's dive in. To get started, open your editor and type Motion into the search bar in the left panel. When the Motion widget appears, drag it into your layout to preview its default design. Before diving into the content, it's a good idea to improve the overall visual clarity. Head over to the Style tab and scroll down to the Title and Description section. From here, change both the title and description colors to white. This simple adjustment helps the text stand out more clearly, especially when paired with rich imagery or darker backgrounds. Once that's done, return to the Content tab. The first section you'll work with is Slider Items. This is where all the slides in your Motion Slider are managed. Click on the first item to expand its settings. Inside, you can upload an image that represents the slide. After adding the image, update the title and customize the description text that appears with it. Just below these fields, you'll also find an option to add a button link, which lets you direct visitors to another page or resource. After finishing the setup for the first slide, close it and open the next one. You'll notice the same set of options is available for each item, making it easy to keep a consistent structure while tailoring the content of every slide. Continue editing each item in the same way until all slides are complete. If you need additional slides, simply click the Add Item button to include more entries in the slider. Below the Slider Items section, you'll find Additional Settings. This area controls the overall layout and behavior of the Motion Slider. Here, you can choose from several layout styles, including Default, Reverse, Left, Right, and Circle. It's a good practice to preview each option and select the one that best complements your page design. You can also set a fixed height for the slider items, which helps maintain a clean and uniform appearance across all slides. Another helpful option lets you use the active image as the background. When enabled, the currently selected image becomes the backdrop for the slide content, creating a more immersive visual experience. You can also adjust the slider's rotation speed. Keep in mind that lower values result in faster motion, so fine-tune this setting to achieve a smooth and comfortable transition. Content positioning can be refined using vertical and horizontal offset controls, giving you precise control over where text and buttons appear. There's also an option to update the button text, making it easy to align your call to action with your messaging. With the core setup complete, move over to the Style tab to refine the design further. The first section focuses on image styling. You'll find separate controls for normal and hover states. In the normal state, you can adjust image size and manage the spacing between images. Border styles, border radius, and box shadow settings are also available, allowing you to define the overall look of each image. The hover state adds interactivity by enhancing or changing the shadow when the cursor moves over an image. Next is the content styling section. This area determines how text and content blocks appear within each slide. You can adjust text alignment, set a maximum width for better readability, and customize borders, padding, and background styles. There's also an option to enable a glassmorphism effect, which adds a modern, frosted glass appearance to the content container and works exceptionally well with layered or image-heavy designs. Scrolling further down, you'll find separate sections for title and description styling. These are intentionally divided so you can control each element independently. For titles, you can adjust text color, spacing through padding and margin controls, and fine-tune typography settings. This includes font family, size, weight, text transformation, line height, and letter or word spacing. The description section provides the same level of flexibility, making it easy to create a clear visual hierarchy between headings and supporting text. The button styling section comes next and includes both normal and hover states. In the normal state, you can customize text color, background style, borders, corner radius, padding, margin, and shadow. Typography controls are also available to ensure the button text aligns with the rest of your design. In the hover state, you can define how the button responds visually when users interact with it, adjusting colors, backgrounds, and shadow effects to create a polished, responsive feel. Finally, the navigation section allows you to customize how users move between slides. You can choose from a variety of arrow icons and then style them for both normal and hover states. Options include color, background, borders, radius, padding, size, positioning, and shadow effects. These controls help ensure the navigation elements remain intuitive, visually consistent, and well integrated with the overall slider design. After completing all your customizations, click the Publish button and preview your work to see the motion slider in action. That's it. You've now learned how to build and customize a motion slider from start to finish. Don't forget to explore our demo page for more creative ideas and inspiration, and start using Prime Slider Pro to create engaging, animated sliders that enhance your website and capture attention effortlessly. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay up to date on the latest features and tools. Thanks for watching.